Hi, John here. In this video I would like to go through how to calculate your daily stats for a store, so day by day if you are like really in profit or not. And I will also go through why you should do it like every day and never like miss a day, when you create those stats. First, I would like to thank you for watching my videos. I upload them every day and it really helps me that I'm getting so much feedback from all of you. And if you are watching my videos every day and you are still not subscribed, then definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and also if you have some interesting idea about some future video, definitely comment below. Okay, let's talk about daily stats. Well, it's very important for you to like track your numbers every day by day and do some like basic daily stats, so you know how much you spent, and how much you really like made, like in like reality. Because with these stats you will know like almost exactly what's your daily profit, what's your daily expenses, so you can kind of like make a lot better calculation for your next decision, because you need to know like all these data so you can make some proper decision. The most horrible thing is when you are running your ads and you are like completely blind, and you don't know how much money you are making or how much money you are losing. That's just very dangerous. So you need to do these stats every day, like day by day. And also it's actually great help to have like a history of these like different days, because when will come those like different events, like a Black Friday, or you will have like multiple days in Christmas season, then you will be able to like look on data like from previous year and understand like, okay, like on Black Friday my CPM went up like this high, like my clicks went up this, or it was like cheaper, and I was like I underestimated Black Friday, so next Black Friday I need to spend like this kind of money and you need to push it more hard, so this is like also like great indicator for you if you can in these specific days like increase your promotion. Also, this is not like extremely detailed bookkeeping, okay? You should always have like some bookkeeper, I'm paying to my person who is dealing with my like accounting, basically like $500 per month, and I give them like all numbers, so they can like crunch it all up, okay? So this is very like simple sheet that you can do in like 20 minutes every day, and you will immediately know like numbers where how much you are making money, okay? So I think everybody should have this kind of like sheet and use it every day. So basically, like every day you need to track like a couple of numbers. At least like this is what I'm like interested in. Let's just create some like example day, okay? So let's say you had like 100 orders, and that means that you made like $4,000. Your ad spend was $2,000, and let's say your fulfillment was $1,000. And you need to also take your CPM from your ad account. Let's say it's like $20. You had like 4,000 clicks. That means like your click was like 50 cents. And on all of that, you had like, let's say 500 add to carts. So, and basically this will give you like some kind of like estimation, it's like very important to like keep this data like every day. So basically you will see that, okay, like fulfillment was this, at the end of month, also like ad spend was this, I got this many orders, I made this much money, and this is basically my profit, right? Just from advertising and fulfillment and those sales. You will also see that your average order value is like $40. You were most of the time, like to ROAS, that was like 50% ROI. Your CPM was 20 for 1,000 clicks, that you had like 500 add to cart. Cost per action was like $20. So basically for each conversion you pay $20. And this will immediately like give you like some kind of like idea, about the day. And when you will like really like have like 300 or 400 days like this, you will have like so much data. You can do like so much like decisions, like they are based on some like data, because you paid for those data, so you need to work with those data, and not just inside of Facebook, but also inside of like this or like some other like softwares, they will give you similar information. Okay, so let's say that you are already like running your store long, so you had the day also like refunds for like $100, and your employees cost the day like $100, okay? What I'm doing with my stats is that I'm basically putting here like that that invoice that Upwork send me like every week. So basically I have here like 4 different like values based on that week and based on the number that Upwork sent me. And well, I add here that the number for refunds every time when I'm doing refunds. So let's say I am doing like refunds like twice per week, okay? So basically like on Wednesday I will put here like $100, and then on like Monday I will put here like another like $100, and then basically everything will count, okay? And here are payment gateway fees. Well, that's important, okay? Because well, most people like ignore that part, but it's actually like a big part of your like those expenses, every day. So let's say that we had revenue for $1,000, and let's say that Stripe took like $200 a day, okay? So that's like already you will see that this a little bit like grow up, and you had basically from refunds 100, from employees 100, 200 from Stripe. That's already like another $400 in expense. So basically you will just take $1,000 minus 400, then you have 600, okay? And based on that you will know that profit for a day, and when you will take that $1,000 profit, and minus $400 expenses, then you will have like, okay, that you are probably in plus like $600 or like something around it. And it will tell you immediately like if you are really in profit, because I mean, yeah, then you have like some kind of like another like couple fees, maybe like some taxes, but that's all like very individual based on country, state, and like how you do your taxes. So this is like without that, but it will still tell you, like, okay, I'm running around like these numbers, it's fine, I can like increase. Well, and this is how I do like my daily stats, okay? Like I said, it's not like real like bookkeeping, okay? You should have like some person for it. So this is basically for you, so you can make like decisions fast, You will just put there those like couple of different values, and you will get from it, like some like estimation, of how much you are in profit or in loss, and you should do it like every day, because it's really like very difficult to run business like profitably if you are blind and if you don't understand your numbers. You can definitely download this sheet, that I just showed you, and you can download it here. You will also like find like clickable link in description, and yeah, just download it, and I'm pretty sure it will help you. I'm using it for all my stores, so I already like processed like millions of dollars, did it all through this like kind of like sheet. So it will definitely help you and kind of like show you every day, like where you are. So definitely download that sheet, and thank you for watching my videos. Definitely join Adferation. Is my free Facebook mastermind group. And if you have some like more advanced questions about e-commerce or Facebook advertising, definitely join that group. There are like people who spend millions of dollars on Facebook, plus you will have direct connection to me. So definitely join Adferation, and thank you for watching. Download that sheet, and I will see you in tomorrow video. Bye.